Hello everyone, hello from ZUIS, the female section. Actually today I want to tell you that we're going to start with the action pack. Why? Because you're going to take exams for your evaluation from the government, and you know that the curriculum that they teach is the action pack. I want to tell you that the action pack is so easy if you are comparing it with the aim high, and actually all things and subjects are covered during the aim high, but we're going to give some focus on the action pack to be ready for your coming exams. Okay, so we're going to start from unit 5, module 4, unit 5, page 42. Okay, so this unit actually is under the title of exploring wildlife. According to the pictures, you can see some animals. So I want you to think of the place where those animals live. We have the first animal is the polar bear, and the second animal is the penguin. Where do they live? Yes, they live in cold places. And what do we call those cold places? We call them the poles. The poles. We have the North Pole and the South Pole. اللي هو القطب المتجمد. Okay, الشمالي والجنوبي. Okay, to start, we're going to check the meanings of those words. The first word is snowstorm, iceberg, boat trip, wildlife, seal, soul, nostril, polar, ice flow, and wet. So, let's check the meaning of the first word, which is polar bear. Polar bear. You know what's the meaning of a bear? Bear dub, يعني in Arabic. So, polar bear is this kind of bears which live in the poles. They live in cold places. Yes, the poles. So, what about the second word, which is sole? Sole, actually, it is the underneath area of your foot. The area underneath your foot. Yes, this area. The following word is nostril. What is a nostril? Nostril, it is the hole you have in your nose. The hole in your nose. The following word is ice flow. Ice flow is actually presented in this picture in which we have ice over water. Then we have seal. What is a seal? It is this kind of animals which live also in poles. And we have snowstorm. You know the meaning of snow, and you know the meaning of storm. So a snowstorm, it is a strong wind we have in the poles or in the ice. Then we have iceberg. What is an iceberg? Iceberg is a mountain which is made of ice. Yes, an ice mountain. Then we have wildlife, which is the life in the forest and the jungle. Yes, the life in the wild. Wild, البرية, الحياة البرية. Then we have boat trip. You know the meaning of boat? Boat. It's a very small ship, and the trip is a picnic. So this is a boat trip. A picnic you take on the boat. Then we have wept. Wept. Look at the picture. Yes, wept when you have skin between your toes. Yeah, look at those toes or those feet, and we have skin between them.